Okay. So let's say we want to find the remaining angles. And sides of the triangle. And we'll go ahead and draw it out. Okay, let's say if angle A is 25 degrees. Say angle B is unknown, angle C is unknown, side A is unknown, side C is 12 meters, and side B is 9 meters. Okay, so just to check, okay, remember your side A, opposite over hypotenuse. That means your height is equal to B times sine of A, which is equal to 9 times sine of 25 degrees. Okay, so we know that our height is equal to 3.80. So if H is less than A is less than B, means we would have two solutions. That means our height, 3.80, is less than side A. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Did I figure out? Nope, didn't figure out A yet. That's why I skipped ahead. Sorry about that. Actually, I did figure out side A, but missed it in my notes. But I'll put it and we'll solve for side A. Is less than B, which is 9 meters. Well, kind of a spoiler. It's going to need two solutions. So you won't be too shocked. Okay. So A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times cosine of A. Okay, so we have our A squared equal to B squared, which is 9 meters squared, not millimeters. So 9 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 9 times 12 of cosine of 25 degrees. Okay, so A squared, once you plug all that into your calculator, clean that up just a bit. It's equal to 29.2375, give or take. Okay, so if we square root both sides, our A is equal to about 5.4072. Okay, so we know just from here, and I'll make a little side note of that, that 3.8 is less than 5.4072, which is less than 9, so we know we're going to have two solutions. Okay, so since you know you're going to need two solutions, you go ahead and use law of sines. Okay, so that's sine B over B equals sine of A over A. Okay, so that means sine of B is unknown, so we leave that blank, over side B, which is 9, equals sine of A, so sine of 25 degrees, over side A, which is 12. Okay, So we just multiply both sides by 9. Sine of B is equal to 9 times sine of 25 degrees divided by 12. Yes.
Why is it over 12? I thought it's over 8.
Oops.
It's 5.4.
Oop, did I mess up? Oh, yeah, we replaced our A. Oh, that's right, it's over A. Why did I do that? Thank you. And that should be... There, A over A. Yep, that should be over A. Yep, I don't know why I put that C there. I think I was jumping ahead to the next step. All right, so actually, we cross multiply. And we did solve, oh yeah, we did solve for A. Forgot we did that already. So that's 5.4072. And it usually helps if I put it up here. Kind of keeps me from making that mistake over and over. All right. So now if we just multiply both sides by 9, we have sine of B is equal to 9 times sine of 25 degrees divided by our A value, which is 5.4072. There we go. Okay. Now if you plug that into your calculator, you have our sine of B is equal to 0.7034. And then you just apply sine inverse to both sides. Okay, so we end up with B is equal to sine inverse of 0.7034. And since we know we have two solutions, remember that B is going to become your B1. So once you do that, remember, once you know it's two solutions, you can just make this your B1. Okay, so your B1 is going to equal sine inverse, move that up a little bit, of 0.7034, which once you plug that into your calculator, your B1 is going to equal approximately 44.7 degrees. Okay. And remember, your B2 is just 180 minus B1. Okay, so that's just going to equal 180 degrees minus your 44.7 that you just figured out. Okay, so that means our B2 is going to equal 135.3 degrees. Okay, so really the only thing missing now is our angle C1 and C2.